welcome back to Live Green, and today I'm meeting with super blogger Gazal Shaikh, who loves to live fashionably green. Hi everyone, I'm sitting here in the beautiful apartment of Gazal Shaikh, who is one of Qatar's most popular bloggers and the owner of I Am Gazal. And today we're going to talk all about how she's greening up her beautiful home. So thank you so much, Gazal, for having me here today.
Thank you so much, Kim. It's really amazing to be with you all the time.
You're really known as a fashion travel blogger, aren't you? And that's how you originally set it up.
Yes.
But now it seems like you're becoming more popular because you're showing a lot more all about gardening and also growing and plants in your house.
True, because my background is of fashion designing. So when I set up my blog, it was all about fashion designing. But as I said, I was missing home, so I started including these plants in my interior. And after that, I started noticing people had more interest in plants than fashion.
So why do you think that people are so interested in growing plants at home?
Because we are human. We like nature around us. Whenever you go to any place, you feel more happy when you go to a garden than to a mall. And when you are having these sort of plants in your house, you feel more peaceful, content, and you feel amazing, and the vibes are really beautiful around you.
So what I love about your apartment is that you've really used all the space. Mm-hmm. I mean, you've used the walls, you used the cupboards, the floor, and also the ceiling. So you've got a lot of hanging plants in here.
Yes, because these are my favorite things. I believe that hanging plants looks more beautiful rather than, plants which is on the floor, because you see more when you're talking on the,
eye level.
Exactly. So this is one of my favorite plants because it can grow in any situation. If you don't have sunlight, still it will survive. And to grow it, make it grow faster, all you can do is just cut the edges maybe once in a month or once in 2 months so that you can have more volume in the plant.
What inspires you with your decorating style with plants?
Okay, so when I'm sitting at home, if I get any idea, I do that. But if I run out of idea, I go to Pinterest. You can take ideas from Pinterest and, just
use it to your own style.
Exactly. Even if it's not looking that great the way you're looking in the picture on the Pinterest, but still you're gonna feel good about it. And when people are giving you compliment for creating such space, definitely you're gonna feel amazing.
Feel really good. Okay, so let's talk about Gazal's top 3 tips for looking after plants indoors.
Start with, plants where you don't need to invest a lot of money and time. So I would say pothos, you can go for
the mother-in-law tongue.
Yeah, and philodendron. These plants are like, you can do easily without taking so much of pressure. Once you get a habit of it, then you can start buying the plants which looks beautiful, aesthetic, or which are expensive. That's absolutely fine. Caring for plants, you can use the fertilizer. Definitely I use it, and without that you can't do it in Qatar. It's really difficult. So if you go to any nursery shop, you can find this fertilizer there. So do the fertilizer once in a month for sure.
Okay, so that's number 2. And number 3,
have more plants which are hanging, because you don't have a lot of maintenance for them, because they're just hanging and you need to put water once in a week. So just hang on the ceiling and it's gonna look beautiful.
Well, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video and we hope it inspires you to live fashionably green too.